YouTubers. Put a video on a couple weeks ago regarding my fan clutch cycling on all the time. Told you that I got it fixed by taking it to a mechanic, and he recommended that I get a catalytic converter replaced. The passenger side one was failing. Got that replaced, thought it was fixed, drove it around for a couple days, and it wasn't. So what the symptoms were was when I would drive, after the truck would get fully warm and I would drive around, the fan up on the front of the radiator would kick on, and it would suck a lot of power from the truck. Going 65 down the highway in 30-degree weather, that fan clutch would kick on. So a $500 catalytic converter didn't fix the problem. It was very frustrating to put that kind of money into it and not have it fixed. Did a little bit more research. The only thing that I could come up with online through all the forums and the little bit of knowledge that I have, I'm mechanical, I'm a handyman, but I am not a mechanic in any way, shape, or form. So the only thing I come up with is the cylinder head temperature sensor. Cylinder head temperature sensor is this little brass piece that sits underneath the passenger side of the intake manifold, and it screws into the head. It's like $20 part, $20-some part, I think, is what I paid for it locally, and it was a pain in the ass to put in. The dealership, I think, wants like $200 to $300 because they pull the intake manifold off. I wasn't willing to pay for that, so I did it myself. You need a 19mm swiveling, ratcheting end wrench. The end wrench costs me more than the part did itself. The end wrench was $40-some special order. So anyway, got it replaced. Once I get back to my house, I will pull up and show you what it looks like and how much of a pain in the butt it was to get to. But long story short, it fixed it. While I was at it, I went ahead and replaced the thermostat just because I was there and it's a cheap part. Got my little girl in the back seat chattering a little bit. But it's done, it's replaced. The truck's fan clutch is not cycling on. It's wild how much low end power I have. I wouldn't have thought that it would have made such a big difference, just having that parasitic power loss from that fan clutch. So with the wonders of the video, I will next show you the part. Okay, so what I had to do to get to the piece, you can see it right, well, you can't really see it right there. See that little thing right there? That is the temperature sensor. Pain in the butt to get to. But to get to that, what I had to do was take off the intake right here, take off the alternator, upper mounting brackets, and the two lower bolts, one there and one on the other side. Pull the alternator off, take the belt off, and I was able to replace that. Truck's running great. I'm really happy finally. A little frustrated that I put a $500 catalytic converter into something that didn't need it, but you know, I guess it is what it is. So anyways, thanks YouTubers. Like and subscribe. I will get you some more videos coming soon. Have a great weekend. Bye.